Today we are going to talk about Yogini Dasha. It is slightly different than the famous Vimshotri Dasha, and this Dasha is given in Brihat Parashar Hora Shastra, and it is given by Lord Mahadeva himself to Rishi Parashara. So it has its own importance. So Yogini Dasha is a significant aspect of Indian astrology. It focuses on predicting events and life phases effectively. The timing system is especially useful for mundane astrology. Now it operates on a 36-year cycle divided among 8 yoginis. Each yogini represents unique divine feminine energy. The system contrasts with the 120-year Vimshotri Mahadasha. Now, when we speak about the 8 yoginis, they are Mangala, Pingala, Dhanya, Brahmari, Bhatrika, Ulka, Siddha, and Sankata. And they have a specific duration, and the ruling planet is also mentioned. For example, if you are born with Mangala Dasha, the duration will be for 1 year, and the ruling planet is Moon. Then the second Dasha will start, which is Pingala, which is again for 2 years, and the ruling planet is Sun. So likewise, the cycle follows. And there is a simple way to calculate in which Dasha you are born. So you have to pick the nakshatra number. So let's say Hasta is the 13th nakshatra. So you add 3 to that nakshatra number and then divide it by 8. So the remainder will tell you about the dasha. For example, if the remainder is 0, then 8th yogini is Sankata. If the remainder is 1, then it is the first yogini which is starting. Or you can also refer to this simple chart which will tell you, let's say Ashwini, then Brahmari Dasha will start. If you are born in Bharani, then Bhadrika Dasha will start for 5 years, and then the cycle follows. So based on the ruling planet, we can also identify which one is benefic or which one is malefic for you. So whenever the ruling planet is a benefic planet, the Yogini Dasha will also be benefic for you. It will give the Karak Tattvas of that planet during that time. Similarly, we have malefic Yogini Dashas also, which will bring hardship, delays, or obstacles based on their time period. Now, how to reduce the malefic effects and what are the remedies for that? So, let's say when you are going through Sankata Dasha, which is ruled by Rahu, you can either chant the mantra of Rahu or donate blue clothes, coconuts, or mustard oil on Saturdays. Worshipping Durga or Bhairava will also help. If you are going through Ulka Dasha, which is ruled by Shani, then recite the Shani mantra daily, donate black sesame, iron items, or blankets to the poor, light mustard oil lamp under a peepal tree on Saturdays. If you are going through Brahmari Dasha, which is ruled by Mars, chanting Hanuman Chalisa will help, or the mantra of Mars will also help. Donate red lentils, copper, or jaggery on Tuesdays. This will also reduce the negative effects. If you are going through the Mangala Dasha, because it is ruled by Moon, and Moon can also give you anxiety during this time. Otherwise, this Dasha is good actually. It is known for its Mangalic celebrations and all. But because it is ruled by Moon, it can sometimes give anxiety issues. So, worshipping Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, and donating milk, rice, white flowers on Mondays will help. Now, in the beginning, we said it is majorly used in mundane astrology. So, let's take the example of India. So, India, if you look at the Lagna chart based on India's independence, which was on 15th August 1947, the moon sign was Cancer and the nakshatra was Pushya. So, the Yogini Dasha sequence will be Dhanya Yogini Dasha for India. So, based on that, this is the it started with Dhanya Yogini Dasha, which was for 3 years, then Brahmari 4 years, then Bhadrika, and now it is again going through the Brahmari Yogini Dasha, which is ruled by Mars. It started in 2022 and it will remain there for 2026. And you can see that during this time, we all know about this Ukraine war impact, which is going through from a long time. Then G20 presidency happened in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Then Ram Mandir, and then there are some ongoing geopolitical shifts also which is happening. So Brahmari Yogini Dasha is ruled by Mars, so we're gonna see results alongside the Karak Tattvas of Mars. So this was all about Yogini Dasha. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you very much.